ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच। फिफ्थ चैप्टर कर्म संन्यास योगम 22nd श्लोक। ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगाः दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्त कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः। ये हि संस्पर्शजा भोगाः दुःखयोनय एव ते आद्यन्तवन्त कौन्तेय न तेषु रमते बुधः. So, in this particular sloka, Bhagavan Krishna continues regarding Jnana Yoga and Jnanis. So, he picks up some of Jnanis' characters and how and result of what exactly will be the result of that and how the Jnanis overcomes from that. So, continuing it in this particular sloka, Bhagavan Krishna says, the enjoyment or happiness what we are acquiring through contacts by sense organs and sense objects, those type of enjoyments what we enjoy are temporary because they are anityam. Only the nityam vastu, only nitya vastu will give permanent happiness because it is anitya vastu. Because of anitya vastu also it happens because of contacts of sense organs with the sense objects. Bhogaha, the enjoyments, happiness, whatever it is. See, those are impermanent. So the impermanent, since we say impermanent, so only who is ajnani they will enjoy that. The jnani will very clearly will understand that is impermanent. Also it is anityam. Also it will not at any cost will give permanent happiness. The permanent happiness will not be given by the enjoyments what you receive from physical contact of sense organs and sense objects. Only Satchidananda Brahmam, Parabrahmam, that particular experience only it will make you Jivan Muktaha and it will make you permanent bliss, supreme happiness in this Janma itself. The Jnani will understand this very clearly. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says. So, Bhogaha, who are planning to do all karma just for enjoyments. If he is not a karma yogi, if he is not a jnana yogi, definitely his main purpose is just do some job and enjoy from it. Whatever you see, whatever it comes in front of your eyes, enjoy with that. So they are very interested on enjoyments. When you talk about enjoyments, and that too comes from anityam, and that too it is impermanent, definitely it will be the main cause of sorrows. To avoid that, you have to meditate upon Satchidananda Brahmam, Parabrahmam. That Jnanis will do. That's all Bhagavan Krishna says in this particular sloka. Tomorrow we shall see 23rd sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om Tat Sat.